Call around. Definition: to contact multiple people. For example, Roy called around to find a nearby mechanic.
What's this that you want me to call around looking for the newly rich?
We're gonna drive around and call around and see if we can find out where he is.
Thought to look at the toys from the woods, call around, see what shops sell those specific.
Someone else?
Yeah, someone else. Call around.
Can you call around all the other tap schools? What for?
Lip yourself so he could call around, see if anybody knew where Frank was.
I mean, I can call around.
Call around in the morning. Start asking for referrals.
I could call around.
I'll just call around.
Calm down. Definition: to stop feeling upset, angry, or excited, or to stop someone feeling this way. For example, I need a few minutes to calm down after that match.
But at least the family's back together.
I wonder where we're going.
Calm down! I'll tell you what we're gonna do.
I want you guys to just calm down, be yourselves, act natural.
Let's all calm down. Everyone's going to be just fine, as long as I've got enough beers.
You gotta calm down, okay?
Calm down, everyone. Calm down. Calm down, relax, act surprised, and have an amazing time.
Don't do anything hasty. Calm down first.
You want to write something down? Okay, calm down. Get to bed.
Calm down, Tamir.
Calm down!
Everybody shut up!
I don't know. Will you just help me?
All right, calm down.
And I got a massive headache, okay? Let's just calm down.
Check out. Definition: to look at or examine a person or thing that seems interesting or attractive. For example, check out the prices at our new store.
You check out some music while you're sitting in the car. Take the key.
You should check out the personals.
Hey there, buddy. Check it out. Check it out.
All right, well, let's check out the word that Aquila spelled here at the Southern California Finals that got her to the National B.
You want to check out my headshot?
Check out my Swipe Right diet online and join our ever-growing team of sales.
I needed to check out the guy that's taking my niece on a road trip.
Kids don't check out books anymore, right?
Official Tour 92 t-shirts, $31.
Check it out. Spinal Tap kicking Muammar Gaddafi in the butt. The timeless...
Cheer up. Definition: to make someone happy, especially if they were previously sad. For example, reading always cheers me up on a rainy day.
We just were trying to, cheer up Leslie a bit.
This isn't how I would cheer up just anyone, but it's a girlfriend's job to know her man, and I know Andy.
I'm just so lonely.
Oh, come on. Cheer up. It's not that bad.
Cheer up. Can we just celebrate?
Cheer up. Not over yet.
Cheer up. This time next week, it'll be chicken dinner.
Cheer up, Homer. Christmas is coming early this year.
Hey, cheer up. Free advertisement.
I need a lot of courage.
Oh, cheer up, Eli.
Hey, come on, buddy, forget about her. You're too good for her anyway.
Yeah, cheer up, man.
Hey, you want to eat us?
All right, well, let's check out the word that Aquila spelled here at the Southern California Finals that got her to the National B.
Clean up. Definition: to make a place clean and tidy. John cleaned up the living room.
Clean that up, you idiot! Love you!
I had to clean up your mess, or nothing was ever gonna happen for me.
I'm just gonna clean up Emily's room real quick.
I remember. You went home with Artie. They helped me clean up.
Do some odd jobs, clean up some vomit.
Well, clean up some of this mess, and then we're going to get dressed and go.
Now clean it up!
Let's lose the bad tidings, clean up this mess, and find that holiday cheese.
We clean up after ourselves in this house.
Jesus, what is wrong with you?
Just trying to clean up a little bit before Maria does her thing.
Come around. Definition: to change your opinion of something, often influenced by another person's opinion. For example, I never liked seafood, but came around after trying fried calamari.
I knew, given enough evidence, that eventually you'd come around.
She'll come around. Sisters always do.
But trust me, you'll come around.
I told you you'd come around.
See? I knew you'd come around.
Well, let him wait. He'll come around. Let's go.
Peter will come around eventually.
Now, I know she's not exactly a showstopper.
The father's not keen on the idea.
He'll come round.
Look, I'm sorry it took so long for me to come around. But you were right.
I knew you'd come around.
Come between. Definition: to cause problems between two people or interrupt two people. For example, after more than 50 years of partnership, nothing could come between them.
Dr. Zoidberg is my friend, and though a woman has come between us, I say we'll always remain friends. And you know why?
And nothing at all what happened will ever come between us.
Look, I'm not the kind of man who would try to come between a husband and wife. I'm not.
Nothing. Jack has not come between us.
Hey there, I don't want to come between you. Or do I? That's awful.
What could come between two bestest buddies like us?
Do not come between a Nazgul and his prey.
I'd hate for her to come between us.
Let me tell you something, you don't let anything, nothing, come between us.
Look, I know you guys are close, and I'm the last person who'd want to come between friends, but...
Come out of. Definition. To happen as a consequence of another event. For example, we missed a day of school, so at least some good came out of our boring class trip.
And the cost of that will come out of your pay. Understood? Words, Robert.
Something good will come out of all things yet. And it'll be golden and eternal just like that.
You'd think at least something good would have come out of the situation.
He should have come out of that surgery alive, but he died.
I'll introduce you around, you meet some people, you make some contacts. Maybe something will come out of it. If you're really looking for a serious job this time, okay?
I don't mean to point the finger, but this just come out of nowhere.
Maybe something really great is gonna come out of all this.
That's coming out of your pay!